Are you ready for Christmas? Make ordinary makeup look festive too. Watch how to apply the Christmas spirit to your plain cosmetics in this video. The Christmas season is full of magic. Besides, it's the time when you're getting ready for friendly parties, masquerades, and photo shoots. Girls can't manage without makeup. I'm doing my usual makeup, but my friend takes out a Christmas stocking. It's so big! Is she going to get lots of presents? Cut a Christmas stocking out of a piece of red felt. Make two of the same details. Hot glue one side across the edge. Turn it right side out. Fold and hot glue the edge of the loose side. Attach a zipper. Hot glue the long zipper ends to the right side of the stocking. Decorate it with white fur. Hide the zipper end under it. Embellish the fur with a felt mistletoe leaf. Hot glue red stones as berries. I'm shaking the stocking. Where's my gift? How can I see what's inside? This stocking is damaged. It doesn't work. However, its owner knows the secret. All you need is to unzip it. Oh, I see. It's boring. Let's see what Santa Claus has put into my stocking makeup bag. Wow, it's an icicle mascara. Squeeze hot glue to cover your mascara tube all over. Shape an icicle. Form a pointed end. To make the glue cool faster, dip the icicle into water. Smooth the glue above the flame. Make a round cut to let the mascara open. Paint it white using nail polish or acrylic paint. Sprinkle with silver glitter. The silver tube sparkles so that my neighbor wants to get the same for herself. Her plain makeup seems so boring for her. Certainly. Take your hands away from my icicle. It may melt. If she doesn't want to share her amazing makeup with me, I'll have to act in a secret way. As soon as my friend leaves the room, I sneak to her Christmas makeup bag. I take my plain mascara and replace it with the icicle. Suddenly, the makeup owner comes back and sees me holding her awesome icicle in my hands. It's so sparkly! I can't stop admiring it. But my friend's completely inflexible. She takes her weird makeup and gives me my ordinary mascara. I thought the icicle was what I'd been dreaming of, until a snowman EOS balm appeared. Wrap an EOS balm container with air-dry clay. Repeat for the top. Shape two clay balls of different size. Attach them to the balm to shape a snowman. Apply blue color using pastel and a brush. Make a tiny clay carrot. Paint it orange. Attach it as a nose. Add eyes and a smile and buttons using black acrylic paint. Tie a piece of ribbon with a Christmas pattern as a scarf. Fasten it with hot glue. Bend and twist thin wire to make arms. Let it harden for 24 hours. My friend takes off the snowman and applies her lip balm. I want to try it as well. The cute snowman softens her frozen heart as she agrees to give it to me. Or it doesn't. The frozen-hearted takes her makeup back. Farewell, snowman. I'll miss you. Oh, snow globe, tell me my fortune. What will happen next year? Will I have to cope with my friend's greed the whole year round? The owner of festive makeup shows me what's under the snow globe. It's sparkly eyeshadow. Mix your favorite glitter shades in a cup. Choose matching colors. Melt some Vaseline and beeswax. We need 2 tablespoons